So while in the exhibition in September 2012, I was talking about how the public or how we modify the institution because we reproduce certain gestures so that we learn certain codes. Here I'm mostly talking about how the public is physically transported, so how it circulates through the different areas of an art space. In July, I installed a bubble wrap on the floor of the gallery because the intention was for the people, the visitors, to experiment physically the space and for them to be conscious on how they walk and what is the route they normally do, and to bring down the artistic experience to a physical experience. Here in this other exhibition, I wanted to document how it is in the Tate Modern Gallery because I think this is one of the most significant or the paradigmatical space because there is a mass consumption of the art itself. And we basically see three works. There is one called Escalators Views, where we can already see different moments of this circulation through these mechanical stairs. In the escalators loop, which is the second video which we find in the same room, is a documentation of the escalators itself as a conveyor belt, which is as well referring to how the public is being produced physically. We can say that documenting this public moving, we are documenting about the capital moving because we are in this moment of immaterial production. The last work, which is the first one that we find when we enter the gallery, is visitors leaving the museum. And of course, there is this parallelism with workers leaving the factory. And we can see this social choreography of the visitors leaving the art space when they are asked to do so when the museum itself is closing. And it's placed just in this circulation area of the gallery for the visitors to reproduce the same movement as the visitors that are leaving the museum, because we are all in the same chain of production.